Hello students. In this video, we will discuss about topic linear equations. This is a topic in basic mathematics in chapter number 7. So before I start linear equations, I want to tell you about little bit regarding variable and constant. So what is the constant? Constant like say 3, 4, 7, minus 10, 7 by 3, clear, 100. All these are constants. Why constants? Because their value is fixed. We cannot change these values. Okay. And in mathematics, generally constants are denoted by A, B, and C. Okay. Then what is the variable? Variable means variable. Variable means that can change. That can change. Clear? That can change means like say we are defining x. Clear? Y and z. These are the variables. Variables means here we can change these values of x, z. We can take any value of x, any value of y, any value of z. So x and y are possible that they can change. Okay. Now if we start with the linear equation, so what is the linear equation? If linear equation is an equation in one variable, what is the first thing? First thing is one variable. One variable means I explained variables are the one whose value change, like say x, y, and z. But these are three variables. What I'm saying, only one variable. Clear? Only x will be there. And any equation of the form, you see here, a is a constant, b is a constant. Clear? What is the variable here? Variable here is only x. Clear? So this is called a linear equation in one variable. Linear equation means where equal sign is there. And a linear means the degree of x is equal to 1. You can see here what we have written. We have written ax gamma b is equal to 0. What is the degree of x here? Degree of x here is 1. Clear? So we call this equation as a linear equation. Here, please remember A and B are real numbers. You can tell them as a constant. And A is not equal to 0. Because if A is equal to 0, then this equation will not be existing. Okay, will not be mumkin. So what is this? So any equation that is written in the form of this, we call it linear equation. Like say 3x plus 5. This is the linear equation. Why? Because degree of x is 1 here. Like say 4 by 3 x minus 9 is equal to 0. This is again a linear equation because equal sign is here and x power 1 is here. Similarly, you can write 2x divide 3 minus 9 is equal to 5. This is also linear equation. Why? Because equal sign is here and the degree of x is 1 here. Okay. Like say another example, if you want to write 5x minus 1 plus 7 is equal to 11x. So this is also linear equation. Yes, this is also linear equation. Why? Because number one, equal sign is here and the x term is available here. And the x term is available here. You can see. What is the degree of x? Degree of x is 1 here. So maybe term is available at two places, but it is only x. So if only x, then it is a linear equation. Okay, like say if I tell you 4x square gamma 5x minus 9 is equal to 0. Is this linear equation? No, this is not linear equation. Why? Because here there is one term available whose degree, whose power is 2. Clear? So this is not linear equation. While if I write 4x gamma 5x plus 9 is equal to 0, yes, this is a linear equation. Yes, this is a linear equation because here x is available at two places, but both places the degree of x is 1. So if the degree is 1, then the equation we call it linear equation. Otherwise, we call it means there are different names for the equations. Here we are talking about linear. Linear means the degree is 1, and if the degree is 1, then it is called a linear equation. Degree and this equal sign, please remember, then we call it linear equation. Now what is the solution of linear equation? Solution of linear equation means a value of x that satisfy the given equation. What do you mean by satisfy the given equation? Satisfy the given equation means, like say I am taking one equation, like say 4x minus 3, clear, is equal to 5, is equal to 5. So this is the linear equation. Why linear? Because equal sign is here and the x power 1 is here. Okay, so this is linear equation. So if I put x is equal to 1 in this equation, so you will see 4 dharb 1 nakas 5 is equal to 5. Sorry, nakas 3, not 4 dharb 1 nakas 3 is equal to 5. 4 dharb 1 is 4. 4 minus 3 is equal to 5. And what is 4 minus 3? 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. 1 is equal to 5. It is correct? No, because 1 cannot be equal to 5. So x is equal to 1 is not a solution. But if I put x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 if I will put, so what it will be? 4 dharb 2, because 4x minus 3 is equal to 5. So 4 dharb 2 is 8. Nakas 3 is equal to 5. 8 nakas 3 is 5. 5 is equal to 5. So here if I am changing x, first I change by 1, then I change by 2. If I am putting 2, so what I am getting? I am getting 5 is equal to 5. 5 is equal to 5 is a correct statement. That means x is equal to 2 is a solution. So what we can write? X is equal to 2 is a solution. Solution to the linear equation. Linear equation. So what we need to do? We need to put values and check if it is different, it is not solution. If it is same, it is solution. This thing you need to remember. This is called the solution. Clear? But how to calculate this solution? If we focus on how to calculate solution, then please remember these 5 steps. These are the 5 steps to find the solution of a linear equation. What is this? Simplify each side of the equation as much as possible. Number one, what you need to do? You need to simplify. I will explain. Okay. Number two, what you need to do? This is very important. Collect all the variables. Collect all the variables. Variable means term of x on one side. Keep all x term on one side and collect all constant terms. Constant term means that do not contain x on the other side. Okay. Now make the coefficient of the variable. Coefficient of the variable equal to 1 and then check the solution. Clear? So I will explain one question, then you will understand. What is the first thing he is saying? First thing he is saying, keep the variable term on one side, like say 3x, and other term on another other side. So you need to fix 5, shift 5 right side. So whenever we shift any number another side to the equal, so negative number change into positive. Please remember. Okay. So negative 5 will change into plus 5. So now 3x is equal to how much? 16 plus 5, 21. So now you can see here variable term, here constant term. So this is the step number one. What you need to do? You need to fix all variable term one side, all constant term another side. Now we need to remove this number. How we can remove this number? To remove this number, what you need to do? Taksim by same number both the sides. So now if you will see 3 cancel. So x is equal to what is 21 by 3? 21 by 3 is 7. So x is equal to 7. Answer we are getting. Solution we are getting. Now what we need to do? We need to check whether our answer is correct or not. So what is the equation? Equation is 3x nakas 5 is equal to 16. This value of x. So 3 dharv 7 minus 5 is equal to 16. 3 dharv 7 is 21. 21 nakas 5 is equal to 16 and 21 nakas 5 is 16. Okay. So 16 is equal to 16. Mashallah. It is getting same. And if it is getting same, what we can say? We can say x is equal to 7 is the solution. Clear? So this is only checking system. We are checking whether our answer is right or wrong. It is not necessary to do in this question. What we are doing? We are simply solving this procedure. Class, only this portion is 2 marks. Okay, this is only we are verifying, checking whether our answer was right or wrong. Okay, now if you look at this question, so what we need to do? We need to do, now look here, this is variable term, this is constant term. So constant term we need to shift here. Okay, so what remaining? Minus 7x is equal to 12. Now 54. 54, if you will shift, it will be minus 54. So minus 7x is equal to 12 minus 54. 12 minus 54, if you will do, it will come Nakas 42. Clear? Now you can see one side variable term, another side constant term. So what we will do? We will, what is the number here? Number here, if you will see, it is minus 7. So minus 7x is equal to minus 42. Taksim by minus 7, Taksim by minus 7. This we need to do. Minus 7 cancel. So x equal. Now this minus cancel. 42 Taksim 7. 42 Taksim 7 is 6. This is the answer. X is equal to 6 is the answer. And it is not necessary to verify. If you want to check, you can check whether answer is right or wrong. So just put the value of x, 54 minus 7 dharb 6 is equal to 12. 54 minus 7 dharb 12 is 42 is equal to 12. 54 minus 42 is 12. 12 is equal to 2. Wow. Equal. Equal means what? Equal means our solution is correct. This is the correct answer. Okay. So this is only you need to check. It is not necessary to write this in your question paper, means your notebook. Only we need to find the solution. Yes. Now come to question number 3. What is question number 3 here? Question number 3 here. And these questions are only find the value of x. Okay. So what we need to do? Now you see here there is a bracket here. Clear? So first you need to finish this bracket. Please remove this bracket. How to remove this bracket? There is a number outside. This we learn in chapter number 1. What? What is this? Distributive law. You need to write this number here. Distribute. Okay. So minus 2 multiply here. Minus 2 multiply 11. Minus 22. Now minus. It is plus. 2 dharb 7. 14x. Jama 54 is equal to 4. Clear? So what we are doing? First we are multiplying this 2 in 11. Then this minus 2 into minus 7x. Clear? Now only one variable term is here. So 14x and shift everything right side. 4. Now this minus 22 will become plus 22. This is plus 54. It will become minus 54. Now 14x is equal to. Now you need to simplify. How much? 4 plus 22 is 26. 26 minus 54. So how much is the answer? Answer is minus 28. Okay. Now what is the number here? 14. So Taksim by 14 both sides. Then you will see the answer. Taksim by 14. Taksim by 14. Now 14 cancel. So x equal how much? Minus 28 upon 4. Answer is minus 2. 28 divided 14 is 2. So x is equal to minus 2 is the answer. This is the answer. Okay. If you want to check, You can check. It is not a big issue. So one more question. Okay, let us check whether our answer is right or wrong. So this is the last question I am explaining with verification. Okay, it is not necessary to verify, but if you want 11 minus 7 dharb minus 2, because here what is written 7x. You can see here it is 7x. So 7 into minus 2 jama 14 is equal to 4. Now minus 2 11 minus minus plus 7 times 2 14 jama 54 is equal to 4. Now how much total? 11 plus 14. 11 plus 14 is 25. Now minus 2 into 25 minus 50 plus 54 is equal to 4. Okay. Now minus 50 plus 54. It will come 4. 4 is equal to 4. Yes. So what does this mean? This means is our solution is correct. The answer is correct here. Okay. So this is only checking. You can check whether you are getting right answer or wrong answer. But what you need to do, you need to do only this process. If you can do this process, mashallah, it will be right answer. Okay. Now this question. If you will read this question, what is this here? Same, multiply 7 here. What is this? 7 and minus. Minus is here. Now 7 into 3. 7 into 3, 21. Plus 8 is equal to 15. Okay, so 7 and equal 15. Now, this minus 21, here this minus 21 will change into plus 21, and this plus 28, sorry, plus 8, this number will change into minus 8. Now, 7 and is equal to, now add 15 plus 21. 15 plus 21 is 36 minus 8. So 7 n is equal to 36 minus 8 is 28. Okay. Now what is the number here? With the n, it is 7. So 7 n is equal to 28. Which number we need to taksim? 7. Because we need divide 7, divide 7. Now, this 7, 7 cancel. So, n is equal to how much? 24, 28 divide 7. It is 4. So, the value of n is 4. Okay, class. So, this is how we need to practice. If you want to verify whether you want to check your answer, just do like this one. Okay, it is up to you. Now, come to question number this. This is same question. We already finished two questions based on this. This is multiply here and same multiply here. 3 into 10 is 30 minus 3 into 2 is 6x jama 54 is equal to 0. So what is the variable term? Only one variable term. Minus 6x equal. What is the 30? Right side it will be minus 30 plus 54. It will be minus 54. Okay, so minus 6x is equal to minus 30 minus 54. It will come minus 84. Okay, now what is the number here? Minus 6. So Taksim by minus 6 here, minus 84, Taksim by minus 6 here. Minus 6 cancelled. Now minus minus cancel. So what we'll get? X is equal to 84 divided by 6. Sorry, x is equal to 84 divided by 6. Now if you will divide this, then what will come? 6 1 is 6 and 6 times 4 is 14. 24. So x is equal to 14 is the answer in this question. Okay. Same you can verify. So the steps are very clear. It is not very difficult. First, you need to simplify. Clear. Then you need to bring x term together, constant term together, and do it easily. Now this question is little difficult. Why? Because in this question, 2x term. So, okay, let us solve. See, here is the bracket. First, we need to simplify bracket. Multiply 4 here, multiply 4 here. Okay, so minus 15, Jama 4 into 2, 8, minus 4 into 5, 20, x is equal to 5x minus 32. Okay, now what we need to do? We need to bring x term together. So what will be easy? Easy will be you take x term this side and you take this 32 this side. Okay, so it is up to you. It is not necessary doing like this. What you can do, you can take x term here and this term here. So it is up to you. So I will solve minus 20x and plus this is plus 5. Plus 5 it will come minus 5 is equal to minus 32. Now minus 15 it will become plus 15 and plus 8. Plus 8 will become minus 8. So minus 20 minus 5 is minus 25x is equal to, if you will simplify, minus 30 and minus 8 is minus 40, Jama 15, and minus 25x is equal to minus 40 plus 15. It will come minus 25. Now what is the number here? Minus 25. Taksim by minus 25, minus 25, minus 25, minus 25. Okay, now this cancelled by this, so x is equal to, and here also same minus 25 taksim minus 25, so answer is 1, because this cancelled with this, so 1 will be the answer. Okay, so 1 is the answer of this question. So please practice these type of questions, because you will get 2 marks question in your quiz, 2 marks question in your final examination from these things. Now you see here in this question number 7, there are two brackets here, one bracket and one bracket. So first we need to open the brackets. How? Multiply 4 into x, 4x, then minus. Now 4 into 1, 4 into 1 is 4. Okay. Now minus 2 equal. Now multiply 5. 5 into 2 is 10x, then plus 5 into 3. 5 into 3 is 15, Jama 6. Okay. Now there are two x term. One x term here, one x term here. So bring this x term this side. So 4x minus 10x equal. How much? How much it is? 15 plus 6. 15 plus 6. 15 plus 6 is how much? It is 21. Now minus 4 will become plus 4, minus 2 will become plus 2. Now what is 4x minus 10x? 4x minus 10x is minus 6x is equal to 21 plus 4, 25 plus 2, 27. Okay, so this is the output. Now how much it is? It is, what is the number here? Minus 6. So Taksim by minus 6 we will do here, minus 6x upon minus 6 and 27 upon minus 6. Now minus 6 cancel. So what we are getting? Left side x, right side minus 27 divide 6. But this is not the smallest form. So what you need to do? Multiply Taksim by 3, Taksim by 3. Now minus 27 Taksim by 3 is 9. 27 6 Taksim 3, it is 2. So what is the answer for this question? The answer for this question is minus 9 by 2. This is the answer. Clear? If you are writing this as a answer, then it is not correct. Why? Because you can simplify little more. Taksim by 3, Taksim by 3. Then this is the answer. So this is how we practice, how we solve question. Same type of question I solved it here. Now in this question, how many brackets? Three brackets, one, two, and three. Same. First, multiply here, then multiply here. So 2 into 4, 8, minus 2 into x, 2x, Jama. 5 into x, 5x, minus 5 into 6, 30, equal 2 into x, 2x, minus 2 into 1, 2. Okay. So now this is how we need to finish. Now bring x term together. What is the first term? Minus 2x. What is the second term? Plus 5x. What is the third term? It is right side equal. So if we will shift it here, it will become how much? Minus 2x equal. What is this value? Minus 2. Now shift this 8. It will be plus 8, so change into minus 8. And here, this is minus 30. Minus 30 will change into plus 30. Okay, now change it. 5x minus, how much it is? Minus 2x and minus 2x. How much it is? 5x minus 2x is minus 4x. Minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. Now minus 2 minus 8 minus 10, Jama 30. Okay. Now 5x minus 4x. 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 into x is equal to 30 minus 10. It is 20. 1 into x is x. So what is the answer of this question? The answer of this question is x is equal to 20. So this is how we solve the question. Okay. Now this is another question, and here fraction is given. Fraction 5 taksim 3. Fraction is there. So how to solve this type of question? Okay. So what is this? Step number 1 is same. Bring this here. So what will be? It will be 5. And one more thing, you can write these things together. 5 into x, you can write 5x by 3. Okay. There is no problem. So 12 minus 7. This plus 7 change into minus 7. Okay. Now 5 by 3 x equal how much? 12 minus 7. It is 5. Now how to solve this question? Now my dear friends, we need to shift this value here. 5 by 3 x is equal to 5. So how will we do? This is x is equal to 5 divide 5 by 3. 5 divide 5 by 3. Or this you can write 5 divide, you can write into dhar. How? Maklub. 3 divide 5. Now 5 cancelled with 5. So x is equal to how much? X is equal to 3 is the answer. This is how we simplify the fraction. So please, I will tell you here, like say, same. If ax is equal to b, so how we are calculating x? Taksim by a. So x is equal to b divide a is the answer. Clear? But if here a divide b, x is equal to some c, so you can shift this value here. How you can shift? X is equal to C, verb, maklub, B divide A. This is how we can solve the problem. Okay. Now come to the last question. What is the last question? Last question is same type of question. Here some fraction is given, but this is number, this is number. So what we will do? We will do here. We will shift this here. Okay. So what will be 3 divide 4 x is equal to 1 divide 4, and you will shift minus 1 by 2, it will change into plus 1 by 2. So 3 divide 4 x is equal to 4 is the LCM. 4 is the LCM. So 4, or what you can do? You can do another way. 3 divide 4 x is equal to 1 divide 4. Here is 2. So multiply by 2 here. Multiply by 2 here. So what it will be? It will be 1 divide 4 Jama. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 2, 4. Now denominator is same. So LCD. LCD of this question is 4. Okay. This is LCD. So 4 for same. So we will write 4 here. 1 Jama 2. 1 Jama 2 is how much? 3 by 4. Okay. So what is the question? 3 divide 4 x is equal to 3 divide 4. Like this. We simplify this. So now what we need to do? You can shift it here. How? X is equal to 3 by 4 written, multiply. Now write the makloob of this. 3 by 4 makloob is 4 by 3. Now 4 cancel, 3 cancel. Everything cancel. So what is the value of x? The value of x is 1. This is how we solve the problem, how we solve the linear equation. So you will get a 2 marks question from this topic and maybe 3-4 marks question in your quiz. Okay, so practice it. Now a special type of questions. What is the special type of questions? Now you will have two variable into the questions. Like say here there are two variables k and c. Clear? What we need to do? We need to find the value of c. What is this? You need to solve the question for a specific value, whatever they are saying. So you need to find for C, solve for C. Solve for C means solve for solve for C means find the value of C. Find the value of C. This is okay. So what is the question? Question is K is equal to C plus 273. Clear. He is the C is the centigrade. K is the Kelvin. This you will study in chapter number 6. How to get the temperature. So what we need to find? We need to find C. So just shift this number here. So what is C is equal to? It is K minus 273. 273 because you will shift this here. This plus will change into minus. Okay. So this is the solution of the. So you may get 1 mark question in your quiz from here and 1 mark question in final examination from here. They will give you very easy problem and they will ask you specific. Like say this question. What is the question? Question is here 8x Jama y is equal to 15. What you need to find? You need to find the value of x. Clear? So how to find the value of x? Just keep x left side. Same like we are solving. 8x is equal to 15 minus. Now whatever is the another value, change another side. Minus y. 8x is equal to 15 minus y. Now what is the coefficient here? Coefficient of x? 8. So divide both sides by 8. Okay, so 15 minus y Taksim 8. Now this 8 cancelled. So what we are getting? We are getting x is equal to 15 minus y divide 8. This is the value of x. Okay, so same we need to find. So here questions are very easy. Whatever they are saying find the value of x, solve for y, solve for c, solve for whatever. Okay, like say this is same question. What is same? What is saying? Solve for x. Solve for x means in this equation 7x Jama y is equal to 12. What you need to find? You need to find the value of x. So keep x left side. Shift everything right side. This shift here. 12 nakas y. 12 nakas y. So now what is the coefficient here of x? Coefficient is 7. So taksim by 7. 7x taksim by 7 is equal to 12 minus y taksim 7. Now this 7 cancelled. So what we are getting? X is equal to 12 minus y divide 7. This is, and this is the value of x. Class. It's very, very easy. No need to take too much tension. Okay. So like this is the question. This is also same type of question. What you need to do? This is the equation given. What you need to find? You need to find x again. So what is the question? Minus 5x gamma y is equal to 9. So what we need to calculate? X. So what is the step number 1? Shift this right side. So minus 5x is equal to 9 minus y. Okay. Now what is the coefficient here? Coefficient here is minus 5. So minus 5x divided by minus 5 equals to 9 minus y divided by minus 5. Now this minus 5 cancelled. So x is equal to, what is the answer? 9 minus y upon minus 5. This is the answer. Class. So the questions are very, very easy. It is not difficult. Okay. Now what is the question? You need to solve this equation. What is this? This is the Kanun for changing temperature, harara. From there are two unit. What is the this unit? This unit is Fahrenheit. What is this unit? Is centigrade. So if the temperature is in Fahrenheit, you need to change. You put the value of C. If you want to change in centigrade, you put the value of F. You can change directly. Okay. So what is the question? You need to find the value of F. This is little difficult question. Okay. You need to find the value of F. So how to solve it? Please listen. C is equal to 5 divide 9 F minus 32. F minus 32. This is the Kanun. Okay. Now what you need to do? Here you can see Taksim 9 is coming. So what we will do? We will multiply Dharb 9 here and Dharb 9 here. If we will Dharb 9, this 9 will cancel. So what we will get? We will get 9C is equal to 5 F minus 32. Clear? Now here this is the bracket. Bracket means you need to simplify. So 9C is equal to 5 into F is 5F minus 5 into 32. 5 into 32 is 5 times 2, 10, 5 3 is 15, and so it is 160. Okay. Now what we need to calculate? We need to calculate F. So shift this number here. So what we will get? We will get 5F equal 9C. And if you will shift this minus value, if you will shift right side, it will become plus value 160. Okay. Now what is the number here? 5. Taksim by 5. 5F divide 5 is equal to 9C Jama 160 Taksim by 5. Okay. Now this 5 cancel. So what we are getting? We are getting F equal 9C Jama 160 divide by 5. This is the answer. Or you can simplify little more. 9C divide 5 Jama 160 divide 5. Okay. So what will be? 9C divide 5. And if you will solve it, it will come 32. So this is F is equal to. This is the Kanun. So if you want to, if they are giving you F in the question, you can calculate C. And if they are giving you C, you can calculate F. This is little difficult, but very easy question. Okay. You can solve it easily. Now look at this question. This is the last question in this video. A is equal to pi r square. For what value we need to solve? R. So what is the Kanun? Kanun is A is equal to pi r power 2. If you know, you study this Kanun in class 12. So r is the radius and mintaka of a circle. Circle means this is. If this is r, then how to calculate mintaka? Pi r square. This is the kanun for calculating mintaka. Okay. Now what we need to calculate? We need to calculate r. So what is the extra here? If you will see, extra here is pi. So taksim by pi. So pi r power 2 divide pi. Now pi cancel. So what we are getting? We are getting r square is equal to a divide pi. Okay. So now we need to remove this 2. How we remove this 2? R square is you need to take square root. You need to take square root. A divide pi. Clear? But always choose plus minus. So this square root cancel by this. R radius is square root a upon pi. We will not choose negative sign. Why? Because r is the length. R is the length. And if length is always positive. So there is no negative here. Okay. So my friends, there are two type of question. What is the first type of question? First type of question is they are giving you this type of equation and you need to solve this equation for x. And then they are giving you this type of equation. You need to solve for a particular value of x. Okay. Thank you very much.